Hello everyone, my name is Sampriti Chatterjee and I have studied from Akash Pitampura in class 11th and 12th. I gave NEET 2025 and I had secured a rank of 1033. I am currently a first year MBBS student at Maulana Azad Medical College, Delhi. I had started my NEET journey in class 11 at Akash, and I had given a lot of tests. I had solved all the modules of all the chapters of the Akash Institute, and it helped me a lot throughout my journey. So yes, NEET is not easy. It is a tough journey, and managing time throughout the journey is not easy. So you have to prioritize your work. You have to do some, for example, you have a test tomorrow, so you have to study for it beforehand. You do not have to study for it just one day before, and you need to prioritize your work. If you have your boards, you need to study for it just for that time, and if you are preparing for a test for the NEET exam, then you study for it for that time. So you need to think, and you need to decide what you need to do at the particular moment. So that is how you need to manage your work. The faculty at Akash is very good here at Pitampura. Whatever doubts I had, whatever queries I had always cleared them whenever I had time. And all the faculty here are very helpful. They have always helped me throughout my journey. They have always motivated me, and they have always cleared my doubts whenever they were available. So that's how Akash Pitampura has helped me. यहाँ का environment बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत शांत है. यहाँ पे लोग भी बहुत अच्छे हैं. तो यहाँ पे पढ़ने का एक अलग ही environment है. तो यहाँ पे पढ़ने का मन करता है. तो यहाँ का environment अच्छा है. बहुत टेस्ट होते हैं यहाँ पे. Numerous number of टेस्ट होते हैं. मतलब आज एक हुआ तो फिर 2 दिन बाद फिर से एक होता है. एंड जो लास्ट का महीना होता है उसमें FTS होता है. थ्रू आउट 2 years AIATS होता है. तो AIATS से हमें पता चलता है कि हम ऑल इंडिया में कहाँ स्टैंड करते हैं. एंड FTS जो लास्ट के महीने में होता है, फाइनल टेस्ट सीरीज़, वो भी बहुत हेल्पफुल है. वो अगर आप देंगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि आप प्रिपरेशन के किस पॉइंट पे आपको कितनी और ज़्यादा प्रिपरेशन करने की ज़रूरत है. और बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस मिलते हैं, बहुत सारी गलतियाँ निकलती हैं. तो NCERT पे फोकस्ड करके भी बहुत सारे पेपर्स बनाए जाते हैं. सो आपको एक आइडिया लग जाता है कि नीट में क्या आने वाला है और क्या इम्पोर्टेंट है. कंसिस्टेंसी इज़ द की. यू नीड टू वर्क एवरी डे. Even if you can, for maybe 3 hours or 4 hours, you need to study, and you cannot miss any day. And just read the NCERT. It is everything that you need for NEET. And always analyze your mistakes after each and every test. And whatever you study, try to retain it, because it is going to be helpful for the next. When you give the exam, it is going to be really helpful. So try to analyze every mistake, and please note your mistakes down in a certain kind of a notebook. My experience was great. I had help from all of the faculty. The management, the teaching staff here are very good, and whatever doubts I had, I got them cleared whenever I had time, and even they were always available for me. So yeah, the experience was good. So thank you, and best of luck for all the people who give NEET in the future.